welcome back. I think the markets are right there, 20-point odd change here and there on the Nifty, 60 points on the Sensex down. That is, PNB, of course, is expected to report numbers anytime soon, and we will get you the numbers as soon as they're out. But ICICI Securities Asia Pacific Conference is underway in Singapore. Over 40 corporates are attending their 15th annual investor summit. We are now joined by Mr. V. Ravi, Chief Financial Officer at Mahindra & Mahindra Financial Services, from the sidelines of that conference. Thank you very much, sir. Good to have you here. If I may start by asking you, disbursement growth has been good in the third quarter despite this demonetization. What is your view as far as disbursement growth from here is concerned? What do you think the kind of numbers we are likely to see?
The growth has been that, in fact, Q3 had October, which had Diwali, and a significant portion of sales had taken place before demonetization in October due to Diwali festival, Dhanteras and Diwali. And hence, in fact, we didn't see probably the pent-up demand or the reason due to that the growth did not come down too much because these decisions have been taken earlier, and the growth did not come too much down in November and December. But we have to wait and watch how the growth is going to evolve going forward.
Okay, fair enough, sir. RBI's dispensation had been used with regards to asset quality recognition in the quarter gone by. What would your gross NPAs have been without the dispensation use?
It's roughly about in the region of about 11%. Is the gross NPL even without dispensation, in the region of about 11.5%. So what is important is that of the dispensation that we have taken, we have seen there is quite a good movement in these contracts. The customers, in most of the contracts, the customers have started paying, even though they are not paying to the extent to take them out of the NPL classification. So that's a good sign. It appears that, and slowly, steadily, they are in a position to sort of come back and trying to settle themselves down. And that is the gratifying factor. One is that we have seen, even in those contracts which we have taken dispensation, that we have seen them paying something in December and something in January, even though that is not enough to take them out of that NPL classification.
So where do you see gross NPL levels at for the January to March quarter?
So it will be difficult for us to give, because we have been, as a group, we have not been giving any specific guidance. I can only say that compared to November, December was better. Compared to December, January was marginally better. And March has been traditionally normally the good months for us. Fortunately, the sowing as well as the harvest has been quite good. We believe that there is a slight delay, and then a good portion of this money should be collected in this quarter.
Okay, fair enough, sir. Thank you very much for joining in and bringing us the perspective from M&M Financial. But